Hi guys, I hope you're having a wonderful day so far, and as promised, today I'll be showing you my new pet snake. It's a baby boa constrictor female, just a wild type, the BCI boa, the boa constrictor imperator. Here's my friend Mani. He's still a bit scared of snakes. And will you hold the boa? Will you hold the boa?
No.
No.
Maybe.
Maybe, okay. In the next video we might be trying to get him to hold the boa. Let me show you the enclosure. Here's the enclosure. I just have some plastic hides in that I showed you in that other video. A piece of a log that I just found outside. Some sticks and stuff that I also found outside. A fake plant. And let me do this. Fake plant and a bunch of other stuff. Let me quickly show you better. Here's my ball pythons enclosure. They're on top of each other. But let me show you the boa. So here's the enclosure, how I have set it up now. There's the water dish. It has water in. This is like a cold hide. There's a big stick because they're semi-arboreal. They like to climb when they're babies, and all of these stuff are sturdy. And then at this side, let me just open the glass. On this side we have a rock, a humidity box, a warm hide, and this log thing that I found outside. So I think it should be good for the boa. Now we're gonna pick it up now. I'll show you when we get back the boa. But actually my friend's going home now, so quickly say bye to him. Let me just quickly get him in front of the camera.
Okay. Go. Goodbye everyone. You must have a lovely day.
Okay, so he's going home now, but once we dropped him off at his home, I'll have a new pet reptile. More specifically, a female baby wild type boa constrictor. The boa constrictor imperator, the BCI. But this is basically like the common boa. But let me show you when we come back in about an hour when we get the boa. My friend just threw me with something. But here's the cage, how I have it set up. I still need to clean my room because it's a mess from getting the cage and everything ready, the enclosure. But I think it's not too bad. It's quite big. It's a 900mm cage, same as my ball python's cage. Yes, my ball python's glass is cracked, but we need to replace that glass. But don't worry, it won't cut or anything. I made sure of that. But let me just quickly go get a snake, a new baby boa constrictor. Then in about an hour, then we'll be back, and then I'll show you the boa constrictor. So guys, we are in the car now on the way to the reptile store where we will be getting my new boa constrictor, and I can't wait for it. We are almost there now. It's been about 20-minute drive about, and yeah, I can see the pet shop now. So I'm gonna show you the inside of the pet shop and some of the big snakes like the tiger reticulated python. But I'm so excited for this boa constrictor. This is my first real big snake I've ever had. Okay, so guys, as you can see here, we are at Reptilia, the pet shop. It's not really a pet shop, it's a reptile store. And a breeder let us know a few days ago, about a week ago, that they have boa constrictors here. Then we already paid for the snake. We just need to come pick it up today because it's store policy. It needs to be in a week quarantine at the store before anybody can sell it, before they can sell it. But it's been a week, so let's go get it. And this is a big boa constrictor. This is a fully grown female, and this is like the same one I'm getting now. And we are in the pet shop now. I'm gonna show you the baby that I'm getting. Okay, we are here by the tarantulas now. Here are some of the slings, which are basically spiderlings. And I'm going to be showing you the boa constrictor now. Let me just go look at it myself. Check this thing out. It's a green iguana. That's cool. Check out this massive tiger reticulated python. Oh, here's another green iguana. Hello. And there's a baby albino boa, but here's a tiger reticulated python. It's massive. You can't really see the size now, but it's real big. This is the water dish. And this is the baby boa constrictor that I'll be getting. Check out this fat bearded dragon. You can't really see it, but this thing is massive. It has a salad and some food, water, everything. Here's another one. And here's another one trying to escape. Here's another. This is a male boa. I'm getting a female, like that other one I showed you in the beginning. And I don't know what's in here. Here's a lot of ball pythons, three ball pythons in here, all in the water dish. And here's a Brazilian rainbow boa. Let me show you some of the other stuff they have here. Here's a baby albino boa constrictor male. Here's 2 ball pythons, normal ball python juveniles. And then here's a hognose snake. This is the next species of snake I'll be getting. Here are some hedgehogs and all sorts of cute stuff. Look at that cute face. That's so cute. Okay, let me show some of the other things. This, I'm not 100% sure what this is. I'm gonna look at the boards now, see if I can identify it. Here's some chinchillas and all sorts of stuff. This place has a lot of different animals. And here's a sugar glider. Here's 2 sugar gliders. There are 2 sugar gliders for sale. My best friend here, he is.
Hello.
He loves sugar gliders. This is like his dream animal.
Yes.
And as you can see here, they are. Here's the information about them, some like that stuff. This is the cage. It's about 3,000 rand for one. Here's the enclosure, and they are so cute and adorable. Check how good they can jump. And here's a cute chinchilla. Let me pet it. Okay, let me show you some of the other stuff. Like guinea pigs. Here are some guinea pigs and some rabbits. Hello, a rabbit. Hello, bunny. Here are some rats, mice, big rats, and yes, I'm breeding mice like in the enclosures that I keep them. But yeah, that's basically it. As you can see, here she is, and you can see she's a red-tailed boa. She's actually a common boa, not a true red-tail, but she still has that red pigment in her tail, so she's still beautiful. I'll show her better to you when we get home. Okay, and as you can see, yes, she is. She is a female boa constrictor, the common boa. She's the BCI, the boa constrictor imperator, and she's a beautiful snake. You can still see she has a bit of a red tail, although she's a common boa, but she's a beautiful snake. She's tongue flicking well, and I'm gonna put her in her enclosure now. I've just got her on a piece of paper, so you can see her better. Now I'm gonna put her in my enclosure. And this is just on my bed, so when she's big I'll put her on the grass. But I really hope you enjoyed this video. This video is more usually my videos are only at home. I don't usually travel when I'm making my videos, but this one I went to the reptile store where I bought her, and you can see that tail is still a bit red, although she is a common boa, but she's still beautiful, and it is a confirmed female, so I'm very happy with that. And yeah, that's basically the end of the video, guys. I hope you have a wonderful day or night or evening whenever you happen to be watching, or afternoon, and I'll see you in the next video. That will be this week. That will be this week Friday. But I'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to leave a like on this video, subscribe, share this video with your friends and family, and I'll see you in the next one.